Hello, once again, Dandy Dong, this is Rainbow Derpy, and, welcome back to another vlog. Now, I'm sick. I don't know how long I'll be sick. I'm thinking probably not very long, but today I found myself, no, I'm not gonna say that, that's really gross. But, people at my school should know, so if you ever meet one of them or me, I'll tell you then if you want to know. Or if I get enough comments in that, I will say it in one of my newest videos that I'll be posting while being sick, probably. But, yeah. Now I have a new chair that I'll probably be recording on. It's one of those pear-shaped chairs. As you can see, it's got, it's bouncy, so, if I'm ever recording and I start doing this, I'm bouncing on it. Cause on one of my recent videos, I'm on this, I believe it's the Attack of the B-Team video, where I'm on this, also, I'm getting on the computer right now. I will be, soon, very soon, actually, because, well, I'm at home right now, and I'm gonna be playing because I need to record, because all my videos got deleted, and if I don't record today, then it's gonna be a huge problem. So, yeah, this is just gonna be a vlog, about some things going on around here, updates on, what's going on, so yeah. It's pretty amazing. I have my issues, but that's not very fascinating at all. I might record The Evil Within. I know I'm definitely going to record Five Nights at Freddy's 2 when the demo or the full game comes out. Now, I don't know what I'm going to play next. I might start a Kerbal Space Program, but I'm going to have to wait to get that. So yeah. But if I do a Kerbal Space Program video, it's probably going to be a pretty long series because it's a really fun game. I've seen a couple gameplays on it from Jacksepticeye and stuff like that because I watch other people. So yeah, I'm on YouTube a lot, and I'm non-stop checking my channel, non-stop checking everybody else's channels. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I guess that's really all I wanted to talk about. I'll see you in the next video. GOODBYE. Goodbye.